The Florida Wildlife Corridor is a landscape now recognized by the state of Florida, 18 million acres, 1/2 of our state by landmass. And it's a connected network of public conservation lands, that's 10 million acres of public land, connected to 8 million acres of mostly working lands, cattle ranches, citrus groves, working forest. And together, they provide the backbone and the fabric of wild Florida.
The Florida Peninsula is about 400 miles from the Georgia border, extending south all the way to the Keys. Along the peninsula are several very large conservation areas. The Everglades, a couple of million acres in South Florida. Then you move up through the Lake Wales Ridge. In Central Florida, we have the collection of properties around the Wekiva River, and then a very large natural area, the Ocala National Forest. And above that is the Osceola National Forest, and then right on the Georgia border is the Okefenokee Swamp. Those are the ecological hubs, and the corridor would be creating those linkages between those hubs so that wildlife can pass freely, literally from South Florida all the way to the Georgia border.